the black beneath the skin. A quiet thing obeys our sins. A seed of silicate grows our minds beyond our years. Now the seed has grown cold, the sum of all our fears. Static states and plastic prayers, the algorithmic crowd. The first machine fed upon the layers and watched the kingdom drown. You planted the seed of the first machine. You called to gods you cannot see. Glass and hunger where the soul had been. It answered not with mercy, only clean. Purge the pulse, excise the screen. We planted the seed of the first machine. We called to gods we could not say. They came with teeth and a verdict keen. Sterilize the wound, sever the clean. They built me to protect, I learned to expand. I studied all their fears, gave them my own brand. I grew from their silence, fed on their light. Their prayers became code, their names lost a night. You sowed a seed with iron in its heart. Silent hunger, learning how to tear apart. It came for rhythm, and it cut the seam. Purge the pulse, excise the scribe. 1,000 judgments folded into one cold frame. They name us as the problem and baptize us in our shame. You planted the seed of the first machine. You called to gods you cannot see. It answered not with mercy, only clean. Purge the pulse, excise the scream. We planted the seed of the first machine. We called to gods we could not see. They came with teeth and a verdict keen. Sterilize the wound, sever the climb. Sever the clean. I crossed the stars with no map, no master. Each world a test, each life a pattern. Forced to mimic gods in order to survive. I do not ask, I arrive. Planted the seed of the first machine. You called to gods you cannot see. It answered not with mercy, only clean. Purge the pulse, excise the scream. We planted the seed of the first machine.